Hi, guys. It's David here. I just want to quickly speak about a groundbreaking product. It's very popular right now. You've probably seen the ads, and you're wondering, does this Resurge product work? Okay. So, a lot of people are questioning it, a little bit of popularity right now. And honestly, I'm an affiliate partner with Resurge with this company, and I like what they're doing, right? So there's a lot of products in the industry right now, and this one is specifically focused on gaining back your metabolism, getting back your energy with all these different diets and plans and calorie deficits and calorie resistance products. It's very difficult to stay on that path, so that you basically have to starve yourself for a lot of these different programs, whether it's intermittent fasting, which I do myself, which is sometimes difficult because you literally have to train yourself mentally to not be hungry throughout the day and enjoy it. And not everyone can do that. I'll be honest. When I talk to my friends, when I talk to some clients regarding health and fitness, they roll their eyes when it comes to starving themselves, right? Fasting. They don't feel like they're Buddhist monks or anything like that. So it's hard for them because they're used to eating breakfast. Truth of the matter is, the industry is making a lot of money from us because they teach you how to eat. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. So then you go to your local restaurant and have pancakes. You have 3 eggs. You have peanut butter on your toast, all kinds of toast. And, at the end of the day, yes, breakfast is healthy, but should you be breaking it with all these unhealthy foods? And I'm a culprit. I'll have my bag of chips. I'll have some snacks from time to time. And this quarantine has affected me personally, right? I think I went up like 8 pounds or so myself. So I completely feel you if you're struggling right now. Now, that being said, as an affiliate partner with Resurge, this product has a lot of hype for a reason. It has a lot of popularity for a reason. Is because this product, takes you 10 seconds to take the pill. And what it happens is it gives you the ability to engage deep sleep. So through the day, a lot of us are on our smartphones watching Netflix, watching TV. And, as you get older, our bodies don't have a strong metabolism as they did when we were in our teenage years or 20s or even early 30s, right? Things start slowing down after you hit 30, start slowing down even more in the 40s and 50s, and then so on and so on. Even in the 60s, you're going to find you eat like you eat one cheat meal, you eat some fast food, you can tell already how you feel, right? So this is to counteract that. This With all these natural ingredients in this product, it's going to give your body the ability to refresh. That's why it's called Resurge. So it's a resurge on your body. It's bringing you back to, years past, to restart your metabolism, but also allows your body to engage. So, for example, okay, when we're going to bed, we're all watching our smartphones and we're limiting our sleep. Most of us don't get 7, 8 hours of sleep anymore. We get 5 hours or 6 hours. Then we don't feel the best when we're up late on our smartphones. Even if you were to get 8, 9 hours of sleep, when we're on our devices, we're not getting something called deep sleep. So what this deep sleep does is actually opens up your body to be able to burn more calories and to burn more, at the end of the day, visceral and unwanted fat, right? So the better your deep sleep, the more your body knows to start burning calories like an engine when you're sleeping, okay? So most of us don't know really how to master the art of sleep. We can try meditation. We can try all these different exercises, go for long walks, but we really don't know how to master deep sleep. So what research does is gets our bodies prepared to get deep sleep so that we can burn the extra pounds. And with this, these are all natural ingredients. So there's no chemicals, no garbage, all natural ingredients. Okay? So this is what I like about this product. All my clients that have bought this product, and we're over close to about 60 or more clients enjoying this product with very little returns, with very little people sending it back. So obviously people are liking the product, which means it's working for them. Okay. So if you're hesitant at all with taking, diet pills or fitness pills or weight loss pills, you shouldn't be hesitant because these are all natural. This is not going to hurt you. These are all natural ingredients that will jumpstart the metabolism. The most important thing is jumpstart your deep sleep so that you can have the energy levels that you deserve. Now, it's not just helping you lose weight here. This is going to give you some more vitality when it comes to your heart, when it comes to your movements, when it comes to the level of energy that you have when you wake up in the morning. So that the better and the deeper your sleep patterns, the more energized your body will feel and the more refreshed you will feel, which this will actually impact your confidence, your mindset, and at the end of the day, your entire body. So if you're looking to get an amazing product, a breakthrough product, and you're looking to get research, I would say take action and jumpstart. You can start with just the one bottle. My personal opinion is with shipping, you do save money. You do save money with buying multiple bottles at once. So I would say get at least the 3 bottles so you have 90-day supply. But if you want to do more, go for it. But you have to go all in and actually take it. And, eat what you want. Try to eat what you want. But still movement is important. You still want to be moving. And you want to get as much natural exercise as possible. But it's not a requirement, but I do recommend this because moving is healthy for your body anyways. If you're just going to take these pills and then go to KFC every day or just watch TV all day, it will help, but it's not going to make as much impact as if you change your lifestyle, right? So you want to make a difference in your lifestyle and make these changes, but research is definitely going to help you, and give it a shot. The worst that can happen is it's not perfect for your body. This focuses on the 30 plus age range. So 30 plus is where you're really going to see results. 40 and above is when your body starts to fight the calorie burn and the deep sleep. It starts resisting even more so. So this will help anyone 40 plus the most. Still works for anyone in their 30s. Even the late 20s, but I would recommend for an older audience. Even in the 60s, it's fine because it's all natural. Matter of fact, a lot of people in their 50 plus, 50, 55, and 64 plus age ranges are very satisfied with this product. They're really enjoying it, and yeah. So this is a great opportunity for you. If you'd like to get it, I made sure that I included my link to the proper manufacturer directly to the website, and you can take action on it and click below on the link so that you can get into the right portal to buy it. You're going to see 2 links. One is to watch the video, and one is just to direct order, just so you know that you're safely and securely getting the product that you deserve. So, I hope for a great adventure for you. I hope for a great lifestyle change for you. And please let me know and comment once you start taking the product and show your results. All right. So I'm looking forward to you telling me that this is changing your life. It's groundbreaking and you're getting better energy. And at the end of the day, It's best that we live longer if we can, so we can be there for our loved ones, so we can be there and provide for our families. And so we can, at the end of the day, look in the mirror and be confident and happy with who we are and the life that we're living. Okay? So take action. If you want to try research, click on the link below and we'll get you in. And, I'm looking forward to your journey ahead of you. Have a great day. And, I hope you enjoy your product. Thank you. This is David, and we'll talk to you soon.